Hello friends. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a virtual MI remote using MI remote app which comes pre-installed in some of the Redmi devices. So open the MI remote app and click on add remote. Here are a bunch of options for you to select to make a remote for. So in this demo I'm gonna let it be a set-top box. Now this shows you further a list of companies which manufacture a set-top box. So let your company be the one which manufactured your set-top box. Let it be Den. So now point the remote means your phone towards your set-top box and press the power button. If the set-top box does respond, then click yes, or if it doesn't, then click no. We assume that the set-top box didn't respond, then click no. So here what you see, that it again shows you a button, but here see there's a change. Here it shows 2. This 2 means that this is the second kind of button out of the 6 buttons. The 6 buttons are for the 6 different set-top box this dense company manufactures. So your set-top box is one of the 6 kinds. So your set-top box is gonna respond to one and only that button which is for your set-top box. So maybe this button is for your set-top box. Let's check. If it does respond, then click yes. So we are assuming that the second button works. So click on yes. Now name the set-top box anything you want and select the area for which the set-top box is, and choose whether it is a HD set-top box or not. Then click on paired. This will take you to the virtual remote layout. From here you can control your set-top box. So, and here there's a shortcut for it. By clicking the shortcut you can directly open the remote, or if you have deleted this shortcut by mistake, then you can open the MI app and then from here you can access the remote.